Financial firefighter here at the second annual Michael Zuber One Rental at a Time event in Vegas. I have Harrison here, firsthand soaking up the knowledge, networking with like-minded investors, and maybe even picking up some few game-changing strategies. So we're going to break down this weekend's events and kind of takeaways, best moments, and of course, what made this year's event stand out. So welcome, Harrison.
Hey, Mark. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man, this is a fun weekend. Yeah, so what do you think so far?
Oh, this has been amazing. It's far exceeded my expectations by a million. So I'm already excited for next year.
So what motivated you to attend this year's event? I know you missed last year's one, but what made you come here and what's your takeaway so far?
So because I missed last year, I promised myself I was going to do this year. And I unfortunately had to leave my wife behind with my newborn daughter, but they've been very understanding. So, but with just making the relationships, that was the most important part for me. That's meeting you. That was a big one because we've gone back and forth a lot in our lives and everything, meeting a lot of the team, and even just the presentations were kind of an afterthought because I knew I was meeting everybody, but it all worked out really well.
And when you say newborn, what is it, a couple months?
She's
or?
3 weeks old.
Okay.
So it's like we are not.
So how did you get that passed on Valentine's Day weekend?
I promised her something pretty and a wonderful date night. So it's whatever she wants, she's getting.
All right. Okay. So have you had any aha moments so far, and has something changed for you in your real estate investing strategies?
Yeah, this is the one, and this was actually when I was walking into the room that stuck out to me. So it was Omar Altakari. It was doing the YouTube and everything because, like you, I think I've done my first video 25 times and deleted it, probably that many times. After that, yesterday, I went back to the room, ran it through one time. It's not great, but it's on YouTube, and so I'm going to keep doing that. That was my aha moment. It's like I realized that I have to do this. I have to go for it, and so that's what really excited me.
Yeah, and let's kind of refresh. How long has it been? I mean, I know we talked about it when your first video was supposed to be out. So
Yep.
how long has it been?
So we've known each other 7 months, and I think I've recorded it that many times. So,
And what's the channel name?
so the channel name is TradeBetter99 on YouTube and Instagram, and actually X as well. So
All right. So with so many different investing strategies being talked about over the weekend, has there been anyone that stands out for you, a good fit for you moving forward?
The one that I wish I did was actually Sarah Garrett, the guest speaker today. That one surprised me. I know she was doing a lot of house hacking. My wife and I are thinking about going that route later on once we move out of our house now and turn it into a duplex. But right now, that was the one that really surprised me. And she's wonderful to talk to. So a lot of great ideas.
Awesome. So actually, what market are you in and where do you invest?
Sure. So I have one rental in Akron, Ohio, duplex, and then have my primary for now in Richmond, Virginia. And then planning on pivoting because thanks to you, Jack, and Steven, going towards Pittsburgh now. So,
All right.
yeah.
I love that. So what's been the most surprising or unexpected insight you've gained from this event?
Honestly, it's Zuber's rule number 3, grow your network. It doesn't matter if you're in the same network, but the fact that you can commiserate together. The one thing I learned a lot is that we all spend money on our properties. It's sometimes when I'm spending money on fixing the place, it's like, why me? Why am I doing this? But it's really helped out that, no, we're all doing this, but it's also for the greater good.
Yeah, I totally agree. That's why I'm also doing these recaps because I really haven't paid attention to any of the speakers. I've basically been in networking, talking stories. So I need you guys to kind of tell me what's been going on this whole time. So I love that. So for wrapping things up, if you could sit down one-on-one with one of the guest speakers or attendees, what would you ask them?
It's really bad. I've actually talked to mostly everyone already. So Aaron Amin's actually the one that I've been wanting to talk to for a while because he does hospitality or more like home nursing, home care. That's something I want to work with because I work in healthcare. So that's something I always want to give back. And that's something that I think is going to be a big future need in the Midwest.
All right. Yeah. So let's wrap things up. Any final words for Zuber, final thoughts on the event, and maybe where can people find you on social media?
Yeah, it was excellent time. Please, yeah, Zuber, I've said this before. This has changed my family's trajectory for a long time, forever. We are going to grow. It's going to go into my daughter's legacy. So thank you so much for that new path forward. And you can hit me up at TradeBetter99 on YouTube, Instagram, and X.
And also catch you on some of my lives weekly.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Thanks for doing this, and see you next event, man.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mark.